Again, I'm just going to show you quickly what's inside the box from Wayofo's new A139 3-channel triple channel dash cam, and this has got a front, interior and a rear camera in the box. Quad HD at the front and full HD for the two other cameras, one for the back window and one to look inside of your car into the cab. Wi-Fi on this is 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and it also says that of course the infrared interior camera, which is going to be ideal for people who take passengers etc. In the cars with them. You'll see on the box there's no screen on the camera, so this will all be controlled via the application on your phone. Let's quickly open the box and we'll see what we have inside. This is the main camera unit, forward facing. And underneath the foam packaging, we've got all the other items that we need. Camera number 1. Camera number 2. Card reader. All the necessary cabling and the usual paraphernalia. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. You'll see the difference mainly with the two interior cameras, one with the sensors for the infrared and the other one which doesn't have them at all. Each of the units allows you to rotate the camera around to the direction that you need it. And just a quick rundown on the specifications. So it's a triple channel dash cam, interior camera with integrated 6-element infrared LED, and it has the Sony image sensors in all 3 cameras for excellent image quality and low motion blur. Built-in high-speed dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. It's ultra slim, highly flexible rear cam cable, easy to install and unobtrusive. Of course you want to tuck it inside your paneling. Okay, thanks for watching.